Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is information technology and code is 402, and our chapter is going on basic ICT skills, and today's topic is PowerPoint presentation. So let's start our topic PowerPoint presentation. First we will discuss in this video about the meaning of the PowerPoint presentation. Generally, we all are express your views or ideas in a slide or in a presentation way for the audience. PowerPoint presentation that is developed by the Microsoft Office, a software it is allows to users to create anything from basic slide. You can use any kind of the element like in a picture, sound, graphics, tables, any can you choose your elements in a slide, so you can express easily or better way to describe your content to the audience. Nowadays you all are seeing in a offices, school, college, in the education line or other office requirements also a presentation. So the first question is raised here: how can we open a new presentation? So first we will click on the start button, then all program. After that a drop down menu will be appear. Just click on Microsoft Office 2010. Another drop down menu will be appear. Click on MS PowerPoint presentation 2010. When you click on this option, a window will be appear like in this way. I already use a template, so that is in a like in this way. Otherwise in a blank presentation where you can write your content, title and subtitle. Here are another some software packages for the presentation like WPS Office, OpenOffice Impress, Keynote, Corel presentation and SoftMaker presentation for the creating a slide or your presentations. Our next question and next topic is how to add a new slide. If we want to be add more slide in our presentation, we just click home tab and new slide. When you click on new slide, the another slide is present in your slide. Otherwise, we just click Ctrl plus M. It's also used for creating a new slide. Next topic is how to delete a slide. If you want to delete a slide, there are three ways. First, you can choose home tab and click on delete slide. Select your particular slide and click on delete slide. Second option, just go to your keyboard and select your slide. After that, press delete key from your keyboard. Third option, select your slide, just right click there and a drop down menu will be appear. You select delete slide and your slide will be disappear or delete from there. Our next topic is how can we format our text in slide. So in the previous two videos I already told that is regarding with the MS Word or MS Excel, how can we editing in our text. So just first we will go to home tab, then font group or paragraph group. If you go to the font group, there are some kind of options like font size, bold, italic, underline, font color change, background color change, font theme change. If you go to the paragraph group, then you can choose the any kind of the bullets, ascending order also, alignments like left alignment, right alignment, center, where you want to be text or pictures you want to be there, you can choose the paragraph group. Next point is how can we insert a clip art or image in our slide. We all are the make our presentation so impressive. Sometimes we choose the clip art and images. So first we will go to insert tab, illustration group, then we select a clip art option. When you click on clip art option, a drop down menu will be appear. You can choose your clip art according to your requirement and just right click on your clip art, then click on insert. When you click on insert, दाना पर्टिकुलर वो क्लिप आर्ट आपकी स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगी. यू कैन सी योर clip art on your screen. If you want to be add a picture, then first go to the insert tab, then illustration group, or click on picture. Then a dialog box will be appear. You select your picture from your gallery or your location and click on insert button. Next is slide layout. What is the meaning of the slide layout? A slide layout basically arrangement of element in a slide which the slide is available on your screen. You can see here some kind of the layout that is not already given by your software. Title slide. In title slide, you just write the title of your slide. The next is title and content. You write your title name and content. You can choose any kind of the picture, graphics, sound, video. So some kind of the layouts are here. If you want to be more, then you go to the online layout. Next is slide transition. What is the meaning of the transition? When one slide changes into the another slide, that is known as a transition. Transition basically applied on your slide, not an element. Is always apply on slide. You can see in these pictures, I just go to the transition tab, then a drop down menu will be appear. Here are some kind of the transitions, and I apply any one transition which I want on my slide. So next topic is slide animation. Animation, it's apply on elements or objects. Animation never apply on slide, it's always apply on your objects or element like picture, graphics, shapes, text. So for the apply on the animation, just go to the animation tab, then click on add animation, animation pane or advanced animation. After that, you can see a drop down menu will be appear here. You can see in this picture entrance. In entrance, some kind of the animations are here: appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wipe. So you can choose according to your requirement and kind of the animation. So first you choose your object, then apply your animation. Next is how can save a presentation. Here are some types to save a presentation. The first is we just go to the file tab and then click on save option. When you click on the save option, a drop down menu will be appear. Just choose your location, write your file name and click on save. The second option is if you want to the same file save with another name, then go to file tab, click on save as option. A dialog box will be appear. Write your file name and click on save as. And third option is here. Just press Ctrl plus S. A dialog box will be appear after that. Then write your name of file, choose your location and click on save button. Next is how can we take out a printout of a presentation. In the previous two videos, that is regarding with MS Word or MS Excel, I already explained how can we take out a print. So just go to the file tab, click on print option. When you click on the print option, a dialog box will be appear also. Then select your printer name, choose your orientation. It can be landscape, it can be portrait, and then choose your slide. Suppose you have 5 slides in your PowerPoint presentation, then you want to be only take out a 2 slides printout. So we write the number like 2 2-3 and then click on print, and then it gives you printout of your second and third slide. And the another option is here. Just press Ctrl plus P. When you press this button from your keyboard, a dialog box will be appear, and then the same process will be repeat here. Select your printer, give the slide number and select your orientation and click on print option. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.